Problem-based learning, or PBL, is an instructional method that engages students in exploring complex real-world problems. Instead of focusing on rote memorization, students learn by solving meaningful issues, which promotes deeper understanding, motivation, and engagement. In English writing classes, PBL provides authentic context that help students see writing as a tool for communication and action. PBL is especially powerful in teaching English writing because it encourages students to express their ideas clearly in response to real life situations rather than writing solely. Students write to propose solutions, persuade audiences, or reflect on experiences. This makes writing more purposeful and relevant, enhancing both language development and critical thinking skills. PBL involves several key stages. First, the teacher presents a real world problem that is relevant and open ended. Students then work in groups to identify what they know and what they need to learn. They research, discuss, and collaborate to develop potential solutions. Finally, students communicate their findings, often through writing, making their learning process both visible and practical. To implement PBL in writing instruction, teachers can present problems such as how can we reduce school waste, or should social media use be limited for teenagers? Students research, gather opinions, and write essays, proposals, or letters to address these issues. Writing becomes a meaningful part of inquiry, not just an isolated task. In one activity, students might be told the school board is considering cutting arts programs. Write a persuasive essay to express your opinion. This scenario pushes students to gather information, discuss in groups, and develop arguments. The final product is a piece of writing that has a clear purpose and real world relevance. Summary. Problem Problem-based learning makes English writing more engaging, authentic, and skill integrated. Through collaborative inquiry and purposeful writing, students develop language fluency, critical thinking, and problem solving abilities. Teachers act as facilitators, supporting students as they construct knowledge and express it through thoughtful writing.